If you swing, I already understanding. See my head?
Oh,
Jam
yes.
before that. Now I don't need to use my hand, I'm here. Hit.
Boom.
Yeah?
Right.
If you swing in this side, I don't need to, I'm here. I'm here.
Oh my.
Here, down here. What happened? Bam, here. Now, see my hand here now? I go straight to the throat. Now I'll be here. What happened? Now what? See, did I let go any weapon? Nope. Move. Nope. Move. Nope. See now I'm here? Apply. Oh. Bang, bang down here. Now what happened? Did I let go? No, sir. Did I punch? No. What I do? I shot that in his throat. So that is not going to. That is not going to be able to do anything. We'll turn like this. Yeah. So we replace that to that from that to this.
But you don't have to. It doesn't matter. That was the other thing.
So he grabbed, got John. See, I got John to bend this, got John to keep it. You see this all the time as well? The whole weight landing to here. The hand coming, see, you control that. He's not. Now I'm here. Yeah? Now you here, move it quickly, then I've got to be quickly and be here. Yeah? Now things got to change fast. Yeah? You see? Yeah. If you roll forward, you're already in back the position again. You see? Because you already got the arm. Now we control that. I can't try to grab it. See? Yeah? So now break. Now. And that's it. So to stop the body, as the body comes this way, you attach. If you swing, I already understanding. See my head?
Oh,
Jam
yes.
before that. Now I don't need to use my hand, I'm here. Hit.
Boom.
Yeah?
Right.
If you swing in this side, I don't need to, I'm here. I'm here.
Oh my.
Yeah, see? So I know. See? And I give it back. I know. So now, see? He weigh on me. It's very difficult for me to try to do anything like that. It's difficult. See, he weight lay on me. See?
A certain way, I pushed through and came back down to a position of control. From
Go. Nice. Boom, go. Okay, you got your shots off.
Boom, real life we coming here. Yeah? And when he come here, we push him down the ground straight away, and then we control him like this. You understand? And then force him down here, head down here like this, and start to break his arm. Pop his gun if you go one, pop his nut if you go one, and start dealing with him.
So I was going to introduce this man, and I decided there was a much better presenter to do this. Give it up for John Hackelman.
Hey guys, well, first of all, on behalf of Master Wong, thanks for coming. He loves people, and he loves keeping people safe. He wants everybody out there, his main goal in life, and when you meet him, you figure that out. So if you watch him on YouTube, which is, I don't know, 82 billion people or whatever watching him on YouTube, they just think he's like, oh, kill him, making me dog shit and shit like that. But in reality, he loves people and he hates the bad guy, and he wants everybody to be safe. He doesn't want anyone to lose their lunch money. So that's his whole passion. That's why he's so passionate. So when he's teaching you guys, realize everything's coming from his heart, and all he wants you to do is be safe out there, all right? So here we go, Master Wong.
Today, give me opportunity to be in America, Las Vegas, because it's the place to be and super show. I love it. And because of Pitmaster, that's why I'm here today. Because I got friendly for him to give me a chance here to come over here. Because without Pitmaster, I won't be able to come here and share some stuff with every one of you. And as we go through the training, I'm not very good at talking a lot of different things. So I will go through slowly each thing with you, and as we go, we learn. As we go, we move forward and learn each thing, and then see how everybody getting on, and then go from there. Because learning is about understanding. When you're understanding something, it's easy for you to put things together. Okay, we're not here to talking about who better than who. We're here to talk about learning some form of skill, so we can able to help the other to understand it, because everyone's different and their body size different. So many I see so many different size of the body, movement is different. So the movement I'm going to show you, some technique, you have to adapt it into your body to use it, because you the one have to wield all this weapon you call. Okay, all this weapon is your weapon. Okay, now you have to be able to use it, because that's what you got. I can't wield it for you. I can show you some movements and you using it. Okay, now the principle I'm using to doing the teaching is very simple. Okay, nothing special about it at all. So that way for you, the learning curve is very small, and you progress as we move forward. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. And when we're doing this kind of training, I like to have people in line a little bit, so people don't move and hit each other, and I will get a lot of time for you to work on some technique first, and we add on as we move it, okay? And then we go from there. Is that good? Yes, sir. Okay then, so stand up for me. Yes, sir. So what we're going to do, we're going to do some basic stuff first to warm. If we can get in line, it's better. If get in line, it's better. Which means we're going to move around, so we're not going to want to hit each other, okay? Because we're going to nightmare. So we're going to do the basic thing on our neck to just repeat, but we're going to pull something neck on the neck, and we don't want to take a little bit light, so go light a little bit on the head for a bit, okay, like this, other side, okay, and forward a bit, and then round, and then round. Okay, that's very basic. Shoulder, a little bit on the shoulder, because we'll use a bit of movement on the shoulder, that way. And then this way. Okay, and then this way. Like that, okay? So make sure the people behind you don't hit them in the face, because when we move it, we will be like that, okay? And then we turn this way. Okay? And then we go back this way one more, okay? And then we go back this way, this side. Okay, that'll be easy. Wave. So what we want to do is just like this, like up the bum out, not because we want to be in this position, some of you guys, yeah? And then forward this way, like this, just nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just move that up a little bit, and just turn the waist a little bit like this for me. Okay, very basic. This way, little bit. Okay? So one position we want to do, this one, that's one more position we want to do. So we're going to get in this position, little bit knee, okay? And then come up, and then knee, and then drop. Just basically knee, and then drop, okay? And then drop. Then we change leg, and go this side, up, knee, drop, knee, drop, knee, drop. One more, boom, okay? So the hand, we want to have the hand here. Okay, and just turn this way. So you're looking, turn this way, turn this way, turn this way. Okay, very basic, okay? So your waist is moving. One more movement we're going to do, one step forward, and then we do hand like this. Okay, step like that up, and then come back, and here, forward, like this. Okay, here. Back here, back here, one more. Okay. That's what we need to do. All this that you're just doing there, we're going to use every single one of them movement in the technique. Okay? So what we're going to do is for one of our students here. The idea is we're going to talk a couple of things. The hip coming in, the hook coming in. So what we want to do is somebody coming into using the...
Hey guys, everybody just take a knee.
Okay. That's easier.
Sit in the back.
Oh, yeah, okay. So when the movement, what you want to do, when the hook coming in, you want to cover, and then you coming in as your forceful. You want to force it forward, okay? In training like this, some of you have no press on, so try to don't have your elbow raised. So watch, the elbow raised, I will go right in, okay? Elbow raised. So you want to keep it a little bit here, so you don't want to keep him like that. Okay, you feel it, because when he hit me, he will come toward me. I will come toward him. I will control. You see my hand? I control here, okay? So that's the basic of move in. Okay, so when we do one, we go come in here. Try, when you do it, try don't want to have your hand up to that already. You talk to me, swing and go bam here, and then this hand act away as a straight into the line. Okay, like this. And this hand, we're going to control straight away in the movement. So we're going to do 3 movement on it. Okay? So first you come in. 1, attack straight here. attack his whole body, and then this hand come on this side straight away. We're in a position like this, okay? Like this, because we're going to control that later. When you control that, I'll give you time to practice, okay? Because it's a lot of movement. You need to be back a little bit and control the elbow. Because one small turn, that's right. So try to get closer to fit, and the other person training, try to bend the elbow a little bit. Don't stay like this, because you turn, that will slap. Does that make sense? So the training is more safer, and you can do harder, but doesn't matter, because when you're here with it, you can move like that, he will give you resistance. Yeah? You understand that? So next movement become easy, because you set up already, okay? So the first movement here, straight in, hand, control, make everything in line, okay? In line like this, control the line, because he will grab you, all the thing will happen in a minute, okay? From this position. You got that? Okay, get it through and play. Okay. And then lock down, okay? Like this, so he cannot move. Make sure he can't move, okay? If he can move, that means no good. So you make sure everything has to lock down, because you control your opponent. Okay? Otherwise, no good. Okay, let's play with that. In front, arm, lock down.